Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our tutorial on replacing the screen of the HP Victus 16d1002ns. Let's dive right in. First, gather the necessary tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. The anti-static wrist strap is essential to prevent any damage to the internal components. Start by turning off the laptop and removing the power adapter. Ensure you also remove the battery if your model allows it. This prevents any accidental power-ups during the repair process. Next, using your Phillips screwdriver, remove all screws from the bottom panel. Be sure to keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once all screws are removed, carefully use the plastic spudger to pry open the bottom panel. Start from one corner and gently work your way around. Take your time to avoid damaging any clips that hold the panel in place. Now, with the bottom panel removed, locate the screen connectors. Before proceeding, it's a good idea to clean the internal area with a can of compressed air to remove any dust. This ensures a clean environment for your new screen. Next, disconnect the battery connector from the motherboard. This step is crucial for safety. Once disconnected, locate the screen's display connector, which is usually secured with tape. Carefully peel back the tape and disconnect the screen. If you're unsure about this step, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert advice before attempting repairs. Now, it's time to remove the broken screen. Unscrew any screws that hold the screen in place, typically found on the hinges. Once unscrewed, gently lift the screen away from the frame. Be careful as the screen can be fragile. With the old screen removed, take your new screen and align it with the hinges. Secure it in place with the screws you previously removed. Make sure everything is snug but do not over-tighten. Reconnect the display cable and secure it with tape. Then, reconnect the battery connector to the motherboard. This is a good time to double-check your connections to ensure everything is secure. Before putting the bottom panel back on, it's wise to test the new screen. Reattach the power adapter and turn on the laptop. If the screen displays correctly, you're ready to proceed. If not, remember we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know what to expect if issues arise. If everything looks good, turn off the laptop again and carefully reattach the bottom panel. Replace all screws, ensuring they are tightened properly. Finally, reinsert the battery if you removed it, and turn on your laptop one last time to ensure everything is functioning as it should. If you don't have the tools or feel uncertain about this process, keep in mind we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making repairs hassle-free. No calls, no travel, just simple service at your convenience. And that's it. You've successfully replaced the screen on your HP Victus 16d1002ns. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more tech repair tips. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.